Hello, friends. One last thing that we should learn in this module is that we have learned about how to create a new column. Now it's time to create a new measure. Let's suppose I'm creating a new measure. Similarly, as we click on the new column, we'll click on the new measure. And in this new measure, let me give the name of this column as uh, total medal measure, something like this. Here again, I'll put an expression. I'll put a function. Let's suppose I put a function of sum of my total medal column. I'll close the expression. So in this particular measure, I want the total of the medals that have won. Right? This is what I want. When I press enter, something strange happened. Nothing happened in in my table. Like earlier, whenever we were creating a column and we are pressing enter, so new column was getting created. But in new measure kind, when I created a measure, the new column has not been created. So where it get created? It in the if you see in the field in the data part of the table, there is it got created total medal, and the symbol of this is also something different. It's look like a calculator. So that is a measure that has been created in the table but not at the column. So and how it look like? Look, where can I see that measure? For that I have to go to my report view. In the second page, let's suppose I put a card. In this card, let me put that total measure. So here I got the value of 15,000. So what is the basic difference between the column and measure? Where to when to create the column and when to create the measure? So whenever we created a column, it has given the answer for each and every row, right? In this total column, total medal column, it is calculating the medal one for each and every row, 0 0 0 0 1, whatever how many number of roses are there, it will calculate and give it the answer on each and every row. While measure has not given this row wise calculation, it will give me aggregated value at one point that can be viewed here also. I can apply that measure into various kind of chart also. Let's suppose I've selected a bar chart where in the x-axis I want to put let's suppose region, and in the y-axis I can directly put that total metal measure. So it will give me the USA has won 2205 medals, right? So whenever we have to do the row wise calculation, column is required. Whenever we require the final answer, don't want to indulge my Power BI into calculating each and every row, then we can create the measure. We will use both the column and measure in most of the time when we have so many numerical data is available in the project. At that time, it's always better to create the measures rather than creating a calculated column again and again, right? So this is the DAX and the things which we have learned in this data pane. Now it's time to move on to the visualization part. But before that, just one cleaning activity has remained that we will do in the next video, and then we will jump to the visualization. Till then, thank you.